Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add new sticker in Elementor WordPress. So we are going to display news in marquee style. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. Now go to dashboard and we are in add plugin. So you can install this plugin, premium add-ons for Elementor. So I already installed this plugin. So after activation, on left side you see premium add-ons and then you see widgets and add-ons. So click on it. So we are in widgets and add-ons section and then you see widget, new sticker. Enable this option. So when we enable, it's saved. Now go to page and refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page and then you see plus icon. So click on it. On left side you see search widget. So write here news. So this is our widget. So drag and drop here. Now you see widget added. So when we hover on it, now you see on left side you see edit, new sticker. You see multiple option and then you see demo, pre-made template, layout, layout 2. So this is our layout 2. Again select layout 1 and then you see ticker title, trending. So you can add according to requirement. If you want, you can enable icon. So it's up to you. Draw icon. You see multiple option. Show current date. And then you see additional setting, post to load 4, reverse direction, separator, title pointer, query. In query you can select post, pages, you see multiple option, but pages, other option will available in pro version. If you want, you can add some text content. So it's up to you. So when we select text content, now you see position. So you can add text manually. Now you see text. So you can add more item, add item, and then you can add text and link. If you want, you can add text icon. So it's up to you. So you can use source, post or text content. And then you see animation setting, vertical, animation speed, pause on hour, enable. Now go to style and then you see typography, color, icon color, stroke color. You see multiple options. So you can do styling according to requirement. So it's up to you. Now you see date and then you see ticker element, color scheme. Now you see hour color, icon color, and then you see ticker element, container. So you can do setting according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see new sticker. So it's up to you. If you want, you can use source post. If you want, you can use source content and then you can add text with link manually. So it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.